Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder. A drag-and-drop app builder creates progressive web app, iOS and Android apps for your websites, or without a site, with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply.
What if you could update your app's look, update features, or fix a layout issue instantly without waiting days for App Store or Google Play approval? Today, I'll show you how to do exactly that using FluxBuilder. This guide is also perfect if you are building a multi-language app. Important reminder: please make sure to follow this video before building and publishing your app. To get started, just log into your FluxBuilder account or sign up for a new one if you haven't already.
Before you jump into building, make sure to check out our detailed setup guide right here. To make things easy, let's quickly look at how your app data is saved. First, the UI or design of your app is saved in config.json files. Each language has its own file. config_en.json is for English, and config_ar.json is for Arabic. Second, the features of your app are saved in the env.dart file, which you can export directly from FluxBuilder.
There are 4 different ways to update your app's UI and features without having to republish it to the stores.
Now let's dive into our first method, MStore API. This is our top recommendation for WooCommerce and WordPress apps, and it's used specifically for updating your UI design. To use this, first, install the MStore API plugin on your website.
On your WooCommerce or WordPress website, go to Plugins and then click Add Plugin. Once you have installed MStore API, please remember to activate it.
Then, in FluxBuilder, simply enable MStore API caching. Open your app. Go to Features on the side menu. Open App Performance and enable MStore API caching. Next, you'll upload your config JSON files to your website through FluxBuilder. Click Publish. Select Website. Check your domain, and enter your token key. You can easily generate this token from the MStore API plugin on your website. Just click Generate Token. Copy it. And paste the token here. Once your app is built, whenever you want to update the design, just click the Upload button. If your app supports multiple languages, go to the Language section in Features. When you select a language, the config file name will update automatically as shown here. Just make sure the files appear in your plugin settings on your website after uploaded. The second method uses cloud servers to update your UI design. This works for all types of apps. We have several recommended free servers, but for this guide, we'll focus on Vercel. First, follow our guide to set up a free Vercel account and get your Vercel token. Back in FluxBuilder, open Publish Config and select Vercel. Enter your token and hit Upload. FluxBuilder will then give you a config URL. Copy that URL. Go to Features. In Tools, select Cloud Config. Turn on the Config on Cloud option, and then paste the URL.
Now you can auto-build and publish your app to the App Store and Google Play. After that, whenever you want to update your app UI for new marketing campaigns or any changes, simply edit it on FluxBuilder. Go to Publish and click Upload. Your app will automatically pull the latest design from the Vercel server.
Next up is GitHub, which is another great way to update your design. Start by creating a token key on GitHub. Go to your profile settings. Open Developer Settings. Under Personal Access Tokens, select Tokens. Classic. Click Generate New Token. Give it a name, set an expiration, and make sure to select the repo scope. Copy the generated token and head back to FluxBuilder. Click Publish. Select GitHub and enter your token key and file name. Click Upload to get your config URL. Save that URL. Then go to Features, Cloud Config. Enable the feature, and paste the URL. After build the app, whenever you need an update, just use the GitHub option in the Publish menu to upload your changes. The last method is Firebase Remote Config. This one is unique because it allows you to update both your UI design and your features at the same time. Click on this link to get the full guide. First, if you haven't already, follow our guide to set up Firebase. Skip the step if you already did. Next, you'll need to manage permissions. Open your project on Firebase console. Select the gear icon and go to General option, then the Service Accounts tab. Click Manage Service Account Permissions. On the new window, select IAM. Here, find the member name that matches your console. Click Edit icon. Change the role to Firebase Remote Config Admin. After that, save it. Then go back to the console to download your new private key. In FluxBuilder, go to Features, select Firebase Remote Config, and enable it. Upload the JSON key file you just downloaded. Click Add New Version to upload your latest config. Click the Load Version button to preview the selected version's design and feature files. Just make sure Firebase is enabled on your app before building. After you build your app, the features and UI of your app will follow the latest uploaded config version in Remote Config on Firebase. So, whenever you have changes for the features or UI, just need to click Add New Version here. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and stunning features.